Put in our eggs in. Oh, we're gonna have to turn it off of automatic. And then hold the manual until it goes back to where we want it. And then stop. Come back over and push A again for automatic. We're gonna put all these eggs in here on this first little rackety jackety. Okay. We're gonna put our eggs from our Easter eggers up in here. Just like this right here, right here. They're gonna go from breakfast to live. Just like that. I guess I'm just gonna put ours on its own little rack. Cause we got some heavy eggs. Why do I so much play? The other one don't have play. Oh, I must have put it in wrong then. Nope, that one's right. It's this one that's not right. See these things? They need to go to the wall. If you got really big eggs like we, you want to be real careful not to bump them. You see it at the top? Ain't got much clearance. Let me make sure I didn't crack that egg. No. Ain't much clearance. Okay, the eggs are in the oven. The humidity's completely out. There ain't no humidity in there now. Started out with about a quarter to the bottom. I got the worst headache in the world. Alright. That's our hatchery. First run. Let's rock. Haven's Homestead. What y'all guys doing, huh? What are y'all guys doing? Juju and his bird. He won't leave their side. He's trying to imprint on them little guys so they know he's Big Papa. Big Papa, that's his favorite right there. That one loves him.